Looking to earn money online in 2025? Whether you want to quit your 9 to 5 or start a side hustle, these 10 powerful online money-making ideas are perfect for beginners, no big investment needed. Let's get started. 1. Faceless YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding. You don't need to show your face or even record your voice. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write scripts, Pictory or InVideo for visuals, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. Niches like tech, motivation, finance, and storytelling perform best. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. 2. Sell digital products. Ebooks, templates, planners, AI prompt packs, people are buying them daily. Use Canva to design and sell on Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Bonus tip: bundle products for higher sales. 3. Affiliate marketing. Share product links, earn commissions. Use platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or Impact. Create blogs, YouTube videos, or Instagram content that recommends useful products. Once your links are clicked, you start earning, even while you sleep. 4. Freelancing services. Got a skill? Sell it. Writing, editing, coding, design, social media, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are goldmines. Pro tip: specialize in a niche like AI content creation or short-form video editing. 5. Dropshipping business. Sell trending products without buying stock. Set up a Shopify store, use Zendrop or Tsers to automate product delivery. Focus on TikTok viral items or niche products like pet gadgets or skincare tools. 6. Offer AI-powered services. Use ChatGPT, Midjourney, or 11 Labs to create content, art, or voiceovers. Sell blog posts, logos, or AI avatars on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Many people don't know how to use AI, that's your opportunity. 7. Start a blog or newsletter. Pick a niche you love: personal finance, travel, AI, parenting. Anything. Use WordPress, Behave, or Substack. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, or your own products. 8. Online course or coaching. Teach something you're good at. Productivity, art, freelancing, whatever it is, people will pay to learn. Post your course on Teachable, Podia, or even on YouTube with exclusive memberships. 9. Build a viral Instagram or TikTok page. Post reels in a niche like motivation, AI tools, fitness, or skincare. Use CapCut and Canva to create beautiful videos. Grow your audience, and earn through brand deals, affiliate links, or product launches. 10. Quote-based daily shorts. Start a simple channel posting daily motivational or spiritual quotes. Use text overlays, stock videos, and AI voice. These channels grow fast and monetize quickly with low effort. Bonus tip: combine 2 to 3 ideas. The secret to fast online income. Stack 2 to 3 strategies. For example, create a blog that links to your digital products. Or grow a TikTok page that promotes your YouTube channel. It builds multiple income streams, fast. Ready to start earning online? Pick one idea and commit to it for 30 days. Want more guides like this? Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. And tell us in the comments, which one will you start today?